5 Albertans have died due to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours in our province. 2 men in their 80s died in Edmonton, 2 women in Calgary, one 70-year-old and one in her 50s, and a man in his 30s died in the North Zone. That brings the total to 8 deaths in our province.
This news is heartbreaking for all of us. Although these individuals had risk factors like older age or chronic medical conditions, their lives mattered as much as any of ours. This has been one of the hardest days yet. Imagining the grief that these families are facing, and my heart goes out to them. These deaths speak to the seriousness of the COVID-19 pandemic and why aggressive measures from all of us are needed to contain the spread.
After conflicting regulations and guidelines, the federal government and the provinces, including Alberta, are taking a uniform response to the self-isolation rules.
If you were quarantined because you recently came back from outside the country, or if you were a close contact of a confirmed case of COVID-19, you must remain on your own property, rented or owned. You are only permitted to go outdoors on your deck, in your yard, or on a balcony. Under no circumstances should you leave your property during the 14 days of self-isolation.